Hi, I was just doing a search online and I came across your website. It appears that you're interested in improving your rankings in the search results. Now, do you know who this company is? You should, because this company is your competitor online for leads, customers, and sales. And because they're currently ranked at the top of the search results in Google, the likelihood is that they are generating more leads online for this keyword than anyone else. To illustrate what I mean, I'd like to start by performing some basic keyword research. Keywords, as you probably already know, are the words or phrases people use to find information online. The Google Free AdWords Keyword Tool provides valuable insight into the volume of search activity for various keywords and phrases, such as the ones people use when they're trying to find a business like yours. The biggest mistake that many business owners make is that they don't spend enough time doing proper keyword research, or that they don't understand what the numbers mean. If you look at these search results, you'll notice that some of the keywords show clear local intent, which is useful, and some of them are what might be called buyer keywords. It's very important to target keywords that are used by people looking to buy your product or service and who are not just simply doing research. Most people already know that getting on the first page of Google will get them more calls. But did you know that approximately 42% of people searching online click on the top ranked site link in the organic listings, as shown here in blue? The second ranked site, shown here in red, gets about 12% of the traffic. The third spot gets about 8.5% of the traffic, and so on. Although the traffic flow continues to drop off from there, it's useful to know that even the bottom ranked site on page 1 of Google still gets about 2.9% of the search traffic, whereas all of the other web pages that aren't shown on page 1 only get a tiny share of the remaining 10% of traffic. So clearly, getting your site ranked on page 1 would be a major advantage in terms of traffic. Another useful tool is called Website Grader. It provides a quick analysis of what a website needs in terms of SEO for it to rank near the top of the search engines. The scores range from 0 all the way up to 100. The better a site is optimized, the higher the score will be. You might think that the top-ranked site would always have a score near 100, but that is usually not the case. Achieving a higher rank in the search results is all about doing things better than the next site. A different way to gauge the effectiveness of a site search optimization is to use a tool called SEO Site Checkup. This application provides a letter grade in terms of a site's SEO status, as well as insights about why a site ranks in the position it does. One thing we can see here is that the top-ranked site has more backlinks and a better quality of backlinks than all of its competitors. Google interprets backlinks sort of like votes for gauging the perceived value of websites. There are many kinds of backlinks, and it is important to develop the right kind for maximum effect and SEO ranking. So, to quickly review 3 things that can help you get your site to the top. First, target the right keywords based on search activity, competitive analysis, and buyer intent. Next, good on-page and off-page optimization using keyword-focused content with a keyword density of about 2 to 4%. And very importantly, you need to get lots of relevant and quality backlinks. The best links come from sites that are related to the same theme as your site. You get more credit from Google for these backlinks if the source of those links are sites deemed important by Google. There's actually a lot more to it, but this will give you a start. I'm not trying to cast aspersions on whoever is managing your site from an SEO perspective. SEO can be fairly complicated, and the ranking factors are continually changing. I hope this information is helpful. If you have any questions, however, please feel free to give me a call at 888-793-7244. Thanks for watching.